Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. We are in Upper Rincon de Loix in Benidorm town. It's suffocating 35 degrees outside right now. Insane, and there's a lot of humidity in the air. So we'll see how this goes. My goodness, look at that. Plenty of people out here with excursion right now. I suppose they're just stopping somewhere here for a meal. We are right next to the famous restaurant El Niño in Benidorm's Rincón de Loix, and from here we're heading towards the Levante beach to show you some brand new businesses, some interesting things and changes that have been happening here in the area lately. We have a new restaurant slash bar right there in front of us. Let's go and discover how things are changing here in the Upper Rincón de Loix. This is the area where the vast majority of campsites are located. Right on the right side, we have campings from Villa Sol, we have Arena Blanca and El Niño, which is the typical Spanish restaurant. This is a very nice place to go for a meal. Many Spanish love it, and honestly, we love it too. Right now it is closed for a day off, but this is where it is located. Restaurant El Niño. This is specializing in rices and paellas. Look at these gorgeous flowers out here. From here, let's head down the road towards main attraction points. Here we have the camping Arena Blanca, one of the popular campsites here in Benidorm for those who are looking outside of hotel type of establishments, and no apart hotels, something more cozy, something smaller with not so many facilities. Obviously they still do have a restaurant, they have cafeteria, they have a supermarket here. It's a nice place for those who are looking minimalistic campsite, which doesn't mean that it is small. This campsite actually is quite big. Coffee and cake here, $3.95. They have entertainment, karaoke every Friday. Look at that. Not bad at all. And from here we are heading towards the main campsites such as Rincón, which is where there's plenty of businesses. Some of them sadly shut down forever, but there's new ones popping up, and these are located right in front of the Aldi supermarket. This is the camping Arena Blanca. That's how it looks like. The reception, they have some loveliest bungalows here. Quite a cozy place, honestly. Electric charging points. Let's head towards the bars. Next to the Aldi supermarket, that's where some bus stops also are located, and today Aldi is open actually. It always says right now open on Sundays, and that is because it's summertime already. In summer season, they do open up on Sundays, which is going to be up until the end of September, beginning of October, probably. Right here nearby, we have plenty of places that are closed down because it's Sunday, but usually these are open. The hair and beauty salons and nails, pedicure, manicure, whatever you need. Some typical real estate companies, car sound system places, everything that has something to do with cars, installation, alarm clocks. The Yoake Wang, this is the restaurant that we've shown you guys immediately after it opened up. Maybe it's just been a few days since they did, but we've shown you this place completely. Lovely restaurant, really recommended. They have some nice meals out here. Everything's fresh from the market, good quality. This is what it looks like right now. And it's located right here in front of Aldi, so it's actually quite easy to find. Here nearby we have the Blueberries, which is for sale. Closed down. Absolutely empty. Look at this. Oh, what a shame. And right next to it, however, we have a new place. Look at this. This is looking nice. This is gonna be snooker club. Oh, that's interesting. Greenies. Well, that makes a lot of sense. And a dart place. Look at that. That's gonna be lovely. Let's have a sneak peek on what's going on out there. Oh, they've taken everything down. Ooh, there's gonna be a lot going on here. Not ready just yet, obviously, but we have this darts here, some beer, some snooker pool. We call it pool. Snooker club. That's interesting. That's interesting. Do you think it's gonna be worth it? Do you think this place will succeed? Obviously, we wish them all the luck. Do you think this will succeed here in Rincon de Loix? Because remember, it is difficult for businesses here to survive, especially for specific businesses like these ones. Hopefully it's going to be the case. Probably will be opening up in the next few weeks time. Next place here nearby, still no one took it. This is how it looks like. It's for rent. It's open from this side, but it looks like this. A shame, honestly, because it's an incredible location. Closed for now, for rent. We'll see how it goes. So far, no one took it. Which was taken and which was rented out, however, is this place right here. We've been here actually for one of the businesses for our clients, and now it's My Choice Supermarket. Now it's a supermarket for different types of drinks, snacks, a workshop for bicycles right here nearby. And that's good actually, because a lot of people from the local campsites, like the one that we have just in front, which is Camping Raco, a lot of people use bicycles here, so a bike shop in case something happens, that's where you're able to get some help. And they have some rentals for bicycles. From 1 to 3 days, a daily price 30 euros. If it's more than 15 days, a daily price is 16. All that it includes: saddlebag, tube, 2 levers, air pump, 2 bottle holders, Gorman holder. That's not bad. Quite a handy business here in case you have a bicycle and you need it to move around the area. The Dilligaf closed today. Closed, but will be opening up probably very, very soon. Everything for the campsites, since there are so many caravans out here, it is only fair to have this type of shop. The Royal, cash only, by the way, says it right there on the sign, cash only, open every single day. Nice place. This place been taken for typical services and some DIY shop. Ooh, there's some nice atmosphere here happening at the Coco. This is the busiest place right now here. Look at this. I'm just going to show it to you in a second. This is the busiest place right now that we've seen in the area. Look at that. There's plenty of people out here. There's some live entertainment here too, which is why there's so many people. The terrace is packed up. Literally just 1 or 2 tables left here. Plenty of people enjoying the lovely day. Look at that. And there's a sea. Look at this. It's right there. Look at this. Some lovely dancing karaoke there. Plenty of people inside. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. That makes sense. That's lovely. That's a great atmosphere out here. Coco's. This is the famous Coco Benidorm. Karaoke, pool place, all in one. Greatest atmosphere out here. Nearby places, quite quiet. More rent-a-car places. These ones are slightly newer. Just a small office for rent-a-car, which is quite expensive, honestly. 170 for 3 days. 1 month, 860. Full insured. Okay, full insured. Then that might be the case. The Black Chicken too out here. Not that busy. Not the most busy that we've seen it. Free pool on Tuesday. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is interesting. This is the Marie and Mary. Very cozy place. I love it. It's like tropical themed. They have some lovely cakes here, some drinks, some snacks, some like coffees and tea selection. And it's not bad at all. It's just a cozy place where to be. Some more places here, which is Eleanor's Arms. Closed today. Also a cozy terrace, but it's closed today, Sunday. This one's empty and abandoned. The Open Wash. This is also a place of those who are in the campsites here nearby. Pet exclusive washer. That's not a good publicity because that's pet exclusive washer. It's like you wash pets in here. Maybe you do. I don't think so. Oh, because it's pet clothes. Look at this. That's nice. Because of all the hair and allergies, you know. There's some huge ones here. That's very good. €2 for drying, 3, 4, or 5 euros for washing. That's not bad. Honestly, that's not a bad price at all. Mobility scooters, office shut down. No office. The lounge, also quite a nice atmosphere here today. Look at that. People are playing pool, just enjoying a very strange day here in Benidorm today. They're open up until 11 p.m. Hi. Hi. Just seen some of our subscribers. Butterfield's here. This one is closed. They had this office before. Now it's all gone. From here, all the posts, all the announcements, everything's gone. Literally didn't survive because it's quite expensive. Dilligaf moved, so this is empty too. This is empty, which was a Spanish place. The Optics is working. This one's closed down. Not sure if they want to put something inside more. What are they doing? Because it's totally empty. It's just blocked just in case. And then a typical place to do some dry cleaning. That's that. All the rest of places are gone right now, which is a strange thing. Well, honestly, being in Rincon de Loix, upper side of it, we're not even by Benidorm Palace just yet. Some more places here. Never been here, but I always see it so empty. This is the Bamboo. This is a restaurant, like an Asian style restaurant. Never been here inside, but for some reason it survives. Needs some desperate refurbishment because there you cannot even see the letters barely. But hey, people still are coming here, so I think the food must be nice. This is a very strange weather. All of a sudden there's like plenty of wind, but it's very hot outside. There's humidity and there's no sunshine. Look at this. This is very strange. Not the most pleasant weather we would expect in Benidorm, and it's still very warm. So even though the sun is not shining, we do not get any kind of relief at all because the air is hot itself. Some more places right here. Look at this. These are some more places here. I love this Chinese bazaar because what they have is a lovely garden. Look at this. There's some tomatoes growing here, some lettuce. There's plenty of things. Not sure if they're harvesting it for themselves or what, but this is incredible. Basil, so many herbs, and it just grows here. If you retire in this area at some point, you can grow veggies here because there's plenty of things growing. Look at that. That is insane. This is nice. This place has plenty of things for the beach, anything that you might need. It is a good location place because this is the only Chinese bazaar here in the area in the upper Rincon de Loix. So many people, when they go from the camping or from the local hotels, they just pass through this area and they buy what they might need. Some shopping carts, which us locals use a lot. Slippers for the summer. There is a vet clinic here, which is a newer incorporation to the businesses. This has 24 hours emergency, so if you're traveling with your pets, in case something happens, they even do surgeries here. So this is the place to go. Italian restaurants, which is strange because this is supposed to be the same thing, isn't it? Yeah, it is. But at the same time, this doesn't look Italian, does it? Breakfast menu, complete breakfast menu, 12 euros. Menu during the day, 18. Absolutely empty. Huh. That's interesting. All these are done and over with. Look at this. For sale, for rent. For rent or for sale again. This one, I think they're doing something inside, but they didn't show what it is. The only one that stays alive is Fun and Quads Adventure Place. They've had all these buildings, but everything's been closed down, just this one is remaining. In front, we have the JJ Mobility Scooters, which is a new company. Slightly newer than the other ones at least. We have another, I'll zoom it in for you guys like this. We have another self-service laundry here. Mobility scooters, the vet clinic, but it is not a 24-hour one, and a dental institute. In front of these, you have the Iceland supermarket. This is the typical like British food supermarket. There's a lot of international products in general. It is true that it is quite pricey, but many people are coming here whenever they crave like the typical products from their home country. Like here, there's a few things. Cream of tomato soup, Morrison's, not sure, we don't have this brand here. But this is the place. They're opening only from Monday to Saturday. But a lot of people are coming here, even though it is quite expensive, honestly, not gonna lie. And then right there in front of us, we have the Benidorm Palace and the lower Rincon de Loix, which is the actual fun. All the bars, restaurants, cafeterias, everything that you might want to see is located towards our left side. And the upper Rincon de Loix seems forgotten. Many places closed down here. See? This place right here is moving to another location. That's what's happening when it's difficult to survive in the upper Rincon de Loix. Some new places, obviously. 24-hour emergency vet clinic is all right because they have it here, and people from all over Benidorm or surrounding area, like the residents, they will be using this service in case they have some pets. So that's a handy business, and it doesn't matter that it's located right here. It's actually an easy access, easy to park, easy everything. It's comfortable to get here. But all the rest, like restaurants, Italian restaurant, there's literally no one inside. And it's just a pity that so many people get the cheap rental, because it is cheap to rent places here, but it is for a reason. Some new places that we've seen, like this snooker, the pool bar, which we'll wish them some good luck. We will visit it probably once it opens up. If you're interested in what it actually looks like and what's going to be happening out there, probably this is where the vet clinic will be located, because they say they will be moving somewhere here in the area, which is the only one that's been changed right now. So some new businesses, plenty disappeared. We'll see what's going to be happening, because for the summer, obviously, it's one thing, but once the summer will pass, the winter will come. And then we will see the real essence of which places have the strength to survive, and many things will change as they do every single year. Thank you for accompanying us on this short, windy and hot at the same time evening walk down upper Rincon de Loix in Benidorm. Wish you a lovely day, and we'll see you here on the channel with a brand new video tomorrow, with a typical video of the atmosphere in Benidorm on Monday and the latest Benidorm news update with the weather forecast. Don't miss it. Goodbye.